In this video, I'm going to explain you about what are the total steps that are involved to become a pharmacist in Dubai. So I'm going to explain in detail about what is the eligibility criteria to become a pharmacist in Dubai and what are the steps that are involved, what is the total process and how much does it cost to become a pharmacist in Dubai. Hello guys. In this video, I'm going to explain you about what are the total steps that are involved to become a pharmacist in Dubai. So I'm going to explain in detail about what is the eligibility criteria to become a pharmacist in Dubai and what are the steps that are involved, what is the total process and how much does it cost to become a pharmacist in Dubai. So let's start with eligibility criteria. So to become a pharmacist in Dubai, the first thing is you have to clear DHA exam, which is the Dubai Health Authority Pharmacist Licensing Exam. And to sit for this exam, the minimum eligibility criteria is Bachelor of Pharmacy. Yes, if you have only 4 years of Bachelor of Pharmacy, then you are eligible to sit for this DHA exam. And you must also have some work experience. Then the second thing is about what is the process that is involved to become a pharmacist, or what are the things that are involved here. So the first thing is you have to create a Sheryan account. Okay? So on the Sheryan portal, you have to create a Sheryan account, and after that, the next step what you have to do is you have to do the primary source verification, that is the PSV via Dataflow. That is nothing but the Dataflow, where you have to submit all the documents. Okay? So you'll be submitting all the documents, and then they will verify all your documents. Now, what are the documents that are required, and what are the documents that you have to submit here? So the main document that you have to submit are, one is your passport copy, and then your degree, the pharmacy degree or the transcript from your university, and then your experience certificate and professional license certificate. That is, in case if you are registered back in India, from your home country, from your home country means India or any country that it is. So from your state pharmacy council, they have to send your license certificate and also your good standing certificate. Okay, so good standing certificate is also required, and one passport size photograph. So these are the documents that are required for document or the data flow process, or document verification or the data flow process. Then what is the next step? Then after that, you have to fill the application and make the payment for data flow process, that is for document verification. And after you make the payment, then they will take around 35 to 50 days, and within 35 to 50 days they will give you the eligibility to sit for the exam. Now what you have to do is you have to book for the examination slot, and this exam will be conducted by the Prometric. Okay? So Prometric centers are available in almost all the cities in India. Like you can see the Prometric center in Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, in Kochi, as well as in Kolkata. Everywhere you can see the Prometric centers, so where you have to do the examination. And then after the examination, the next step will be the license, to get the license up over there and you can start practicing. Now I'll briefly explain you about the exam pattern and how many questions will be involved in this DHA examination. Okay? So this DHA exam, it consists of total 150 MCQs. So all are MCQs, and there will be no negative marking. So 150 MCQs, and you have to score 60%. So not 90%, 60%. 60% in the sense 90 MCQs. Okay, so you have to get 90 correct answers out of 150. So which makes up to 60%. Then the next thing is about what is the total fees? That how much does it cost to clear this exam and to become a pharmacist in Dubai. Okay? So the total fee roughly it costs around 3,200 dirhams. Okay? So 3,200 dirhams, when you convert it into Indian rupees, roughly it will cost around 75,000 Indian rupees. Okay? So this is the total fees that it costs to become a pharmacist in Dubai. Okay? So these are the basic information about how to become a pharmacist in Dubai, guys. And if you have any further questions, then please leave a comment below and we will help to answer you out. And also please don't forget to subscribe and share this video among your friends. Thank you so much.